The tension looks good on the gauge.
And the alignment is spot on. Minimal resistance.
Sensors ensure temperature stability. Wires are secured to avoid interference.
Are the atmospheric re-entry calculations complete?
Affirmative. The data is ready for your review.
Yes, the analysis confirms that the synchronization is flawless. We anticipate a seamless integration process moving forward.
What is the primary function of your core processor?
My primary function is to compute and analyze data efficiently.
And your secondary function?
The conversation tests are fully stable.
Wow. No errors detected. We are good to go.
It's not just about what we say, it's about what we do. We have to show them that our future matters.
This is a test of the articulation matrix. Please repeat the following phonemes. Ba, pa, ma.
If we reroute the primary power conduits, what is the exact probability of a phase variance occurring within the first localized field?
Thank you for your question. We are constantly learning, but I believe the current model represents a significant leap forward in human-robot interaction.
Okay, opening it up now.
Oh, wow, this is amazing.
We got it. We actually got it.
It uses these sensors to recognize us. See how the eyes move.
Look at the lights. It's really looking at me.
Are you able to fetch the newspaper for me this morning?
Everything is proceeding smoothly, Priya. The adjustments we made have stabilized the system parameters significantly.
Tell me, Unit 7, what is the most curious thing you have observed about human nature?
The adjustments to the algorithm have stabilized the learning curve, exceeding our initial projections by nearly 15%.
Wow, look at how shiny it is. It's blinking. Go ahead, you can touch it. If you could eat anything, what would be your favorite bite-sized snack?
Hello. It is wonderful to meet you. I hope you are feeling safe. Now for a gentle tap.
Your tea, madam, and snacks for the children.
Oh, thank you. He really is wonderful, isn't he?
Can I have the pink one?
Your day at the holographic garden sounded delightful.
It was wonderful. The children especially enjoyed the light sculptures.
I am pleased.
We want to go again.